In this video, I'll show you how to give Google Ads Manager access so another person or agency can help manage your campaigns securely. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking the Tools and Settings icon in the top navigation. Under the Setup section, select Access and Security, which is where you control who can view or manage the account. Go to the Users tab and click the plus button to invite a new user. Enter the email address of the person or manager account you want to grant access to, then choose the appropriate role. Google Ads typically offers roles like Admin, Standard, and Billing, each with different levels of control. Admin has full access including user management, while Standard is usually enough for campaign management. Always assign the minimum permission needed for security. After sending the invitation, the recipient must accept it before access becomes active. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.